Before the Nobel Prizes, before radium and polonium, before her name was carved into the eternal history of science, Marie Curie was already extraordinary through the sheer power of her mind. At just 20 years old, during a gathering of young scholars and students, a moment of quiet brilliance revealed itself, the kind that would define a lifetime. In the middle of the room, a young man rose to recite a poem. The words were deep, full of emotion, and they touched Marie deeply. She approached him and asked for a copy. He smiled, perhaps teasing or testing her. "If your memory is that good, just listen again." She replied softly, "I'll try, but no promises." He recited the poem once more. Marie listened silently, and then quietly left the room. 30 minutes passed. Conversations and laughter resumed. No one noticed when she left, but they noticed when she returned. She stood calmly before them and began to speak. Line by line, word for word, not a single mistake, no hesitation. The room fell silent. It wasn't just memory. It was sharp focus, powerful discipline, and a mind unlike any other. Long before atoms, before laboratories, before glory, Marie Curie was already becoming who she was meant to be. Some minds shine for what they discover. Others, like hers, light up the world long before they reveal their brilliance.
Nothing in life is to be feared. It is only to be understood. Now is the time to understand more, so that we may fear less. My name is Marie Curie.